Everyone, please. We had actually prepared a presentation, but due to the HDMI not working, we'll have to buy this only. Okay. This is the link. You have to click on login. If not, you can click on register from here or here. Once you click on register, you will get two options. One is IT and BCS, as I said. So this particular hiring is for IT. You have to select on IT and click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can simply put your email ID and request for OTP. You will have to enter the OTP, and then they will ask you for a few details like Aadhaar card, last 4 digits. Okay. Then we have your name. You want to volunteer? Please come. It will be MCQ and logical reasoning रहेगा, numerical ability रहेगा, and coding optional रहेगा. Okay? Okay. So these three will be there, and part B would be coding, but again that is optional. Okay. So the hiring categories are two categories. Okay. One base hiring category is TCS Smart Hiring, and the next level is TCS Ignite Hiring. All right. So basis your performance in the test, you will be called for the interview rounds. Okay. And in the interview round, call only in the mail. It will be mentioned for which role you have been shortlisted, the interview role, and accordingly you can prepare and come. Okay. So if you are not performing that well, you might be called for a smart interview, and if you are performing well in the test, you will be called for a TCS Ignite interview. Okay. So any doubts till now?
No, sir.
No. How many of you have a DT number already? Can I see a raise of hands? Okay, you can put it down. How many of you do not have a DT number? Okay, almost 20%. 20% of the audience does not have a DT number. So please ensure, I have told you the link. So please ensure that you are registering yourself today only, so that you don't miss out on this particular test. Okay? Because if the slots are getting filled, you'll have to go to a different city to attend 2-hour test, and that is something we don't want. I have come all the way from Kolkata just to address this. Okay? So please ensure that all of you are grabbing onto this particular opportunity. Okay?
Sir,
Yes.
सर I got a problem सर.
हाँ, tell me.
सर मैंने रजिस्टर कर रखा है और मेरे पास डीटी नंबर भी है, पर सर जब लॉगिन करने जा रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे ओटीपी भेज रहा है. ऑब्वियस सी बात है, जो मेरा रजिस्टर मेल आईडी है, पर सर वो मेल आईडी मेरे पास है नहीं सर. ड्यू टू सम रीजन आई हैव डिलीटेड दैट ईमेल आईडी.
मेल आईडी का एक्सेस नहीं है आपके पास?
नहीं है सर.
Okay. So in that case, you do one thing. You drop a mail to ilp.support.
सर आई हैव ऑलरेडी. सर
You take my mail ID. I'll tell you my mail ID personally. I'll follow up and get it deleted. Okay. And then you can create a new account.
Yes sir, already I have talked to customer support since 20 days.
No, I'll follow up with this personally. I'll get it deleted and then I'll call you. You will have to create a new account in IT. ठीक है?
आप जैसे रजिस्टर किए थे, डिलीट होने के बाद आपको दोबारा रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा आपके अपडेटेड मेल आईडी से.
पहले एक काम कर. From the interview, you will get an offer letter. Okay? Now, coming to the eligibility criteria. So we are taking in BCA and BSc students. For BSc, the specializations that we are taking are IT, computer science, maths, data science, statistics, physics, chemistry, electronics, cyber security, and biochemistry. So 10 specializations we are taking. Apart from that, we are also taking BVOC. And however, your vocational course must be having CS or IT as your specialization. And the year of passing that are eligible is 25 and 26 only. Okay. Now coming to the percentage criteria, minimum aggregate should be 50% or equivalent CGPA across your class 10, 12 and graduation. Then active backlogs. If you are a 25 pass out, you should ideally have no active backlogs. However, if you are a 26 pass out, during your interview, you should not be having more than one active backlog. One active backlog is okay. During the test, if you have more than one active backlog, that is also okay. But during the interview, if you are a 26 pass out, you should not be having more than one active backlog. Clear? Now, coming to the gaps or breaks, you should not be having more than 24 months or 2 years of break in your academics. Anything less than that, we are okay with that. Okay. Now, coming to the course type, only full-time courses we are considering. Work experience, since this is an entry-level requirement, we are not expecting you to have any work experience. However, if you have any work experience, you need to declare that in the application form when you are filling it up. Okay. Now, age criteria is 18 to 28 years old. Between that age, that is the age bracket, minimum 18, maximum 28. Then you are eligible. Okay. That's about it with the eligibility criteria. So we had prepared one presentation where we had, where we were depicting employee benefits as to what you have, what we have in store for you all in case you are getting shortlisted and planning to join TCS. So we have the best in scheme health insurance policies. We provide employee assistance programs which includes professional and personal counseling. We also provide the reimbursement of any certification you are planning to do after joining TCS. And obviously, women's health and safety is of utmost importance in TCS. We provide free night cap facility for both male and female associates. For female associates, cap facility starts from 8 o'clock, and for male associates, it starts from 10 o'clock at night. We also provide interest-free loans for students who are, planning to join TCS for the first 1 or 2 months, because we will be shifting to a different city, and there will be obviously some cost involved. So in order to help you settle down, we provide interest-free loans, okay? And we also provide, apart from the maternity leave part, which is usually for the mother of the child, we provide child care facility for the father as well, okay? Now, basic difference, okay? So, obviously there is a CTC difference between Smart and Ignite. Apart from that, anyone who knows the CTC of Smart or Ignite? Anyone?
CTC of Smart and Ignite.
Anyone who knows the CTC of TCS Smart and the CTC of TCS Ignite? Anyone? Any idea, rough idea?
3.2 LPA.
3.5 or Xpros 3.25 expert.
That is for Ninja. You are talking about BTEC.
Yes, 3.5 LPA, and for Ignite 7 LPA.
That is for digital. 7 LPA is digital.
Digital and Prime for 10 lakhs.
You are talking about the correct. 2.8 is the Ignite,
Yes, sir.
and for Smart is around 1.9 LPA. Okay. So since you will be, that is for only for the first 1 year. Okay. So you will be undergoing rigorous training, which will be held in multiple locations, and we will also be providing you with for the accommodation. We will provide you certain amount for the first 1 to 3 months, whatever the training period is. It usually happens in the south of India, and after that you will be getting a project which will be in your preferred job location. We will try and provide you with that as well. Okay. So once you are filling up the application form and applying for Drive, there will be 3 test city preferences, right? Apart from that, there will be 3 job city preferences as well. So we will try and accommodate you into a project in your preferred job location. Okay. So now coming to the basic of January से लेके first week of February के बीच में एक डेट दिया जाएगा. It will be a 1-day exam only across India. नेशनल क्वालिफाइड टेस्ट होता है, so एक दिन में ही सारा रीजन्स में टेस्ट होगा. Okay, after that you will be called for the interview. Test or in the interview? In the interview, English is the preferable language.
See, I will not say it is a mandatory thing, but as a corporate, as an IT student, you should know it.
Okay, we are not expecting you to be very fluent about it. So you should be able to communicate what you want to do. Okay, articulation is very important. So जो आप बोलना चाह रहे हो वो सामने वाला समझ पा रहा है कि नहीं, that is the most important part. Okay.
How many seats are available?
How many seats? If all of you are good, we can take all of you.
See, TCS is not hiring in the rejection process.
Okay, there is a selection process.
This is a selection
So अगर आप
process.
सब लोग अच्छे हैं, we will take all of you.
We have no issue on that.
Okay. So please ensure
Exam that you have given in your patients and all. The level is very good. Company
आपको 2 साल का लीव मिल जाएगा।
हाँ, you will be a full time employee there. आपको resignation नहीं देना पड़ेगा, आप जाके अपना पढ़ाई करके वापस आ सकते हैं, वापस ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, आपका सैलरी मार्केट स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से बढ़ जाएगा। Something around 2 and Ignite is something around 2.8.
Smart is 1.9,
1.9.
Ignite is 2.8. So there is no such bond. If you are wanting to pursue something else, you have to serve a notice period obviously. So for the first 1 year, usually if you are under training, you will have to serve a notice period of 1 month. After that, 3 months of notice period. Okay. Apart from that, people are asking whether we will be providing you with the higher education facility or not. So for you, in order to be eligible for a sabbatical leave, we provide the facility of sabbatical leave. Okay, so you can very well do a course after 2 years. So you'll have to be a full-time employee for 2 years in order to take a sabbatical leave. So the concept is basically you can go outside and pursue a course, your masters, for 2 years, and then you'll have the option to come back or you can join any other company. However, if you are joining back to TCS, your salary will be adjusted as per the market standard of a master's candidate with your work experience. And the work experience during which you had gone to do your studies, that work experience will also count. So suppose you are leaving the organization after 1 year after completing your MCA, that entire duration will be counted as a work experience document, work experience along with the master's course. Okay, that opportunity not many companies give. Okay,
I know.
right?
Yes, sir.
तो बेसिकली बहुत जगह में परसेंटाइल क्राइटेरिया जाता है, तो यहाँ पे भी परसेंटाइल क्राइटेरिया है. इट्स नॉट लाइक यू हैव टू देयर इज अ सर्टेन कट ऑफ कि आपको 100 में से 60 लाना है टू फॉर स्मार्ट, 80 लाना है फॉर इग्नाइट. ऐसा नहीं है. It will be decided by the corporate team. Once the exam is over, we will see how people have performed there. So according to that, we will then decide a cutoff, and then you will be called for the interview according to your performance as per the standards of your peers only. हम लोग पहले पिछले बैच का परफॉर्मेंस नहीं देख रहे हैं. आप लोग के साथ साथ जो लोग इंटरव्यू टेस्ट के लिए बैठ रहे हैं, सबका परफॉर्मेंस देख के ही we will then call you for the interview as per your knowledge and performance there. Okay. वेटेज रहता है 3, जैसे मैंने टॉपिक बताया, मतलब 3 सेक्शन, न्यूमेरिकल, वर्बल, रीजनिंग. सो सपोज 120 मिनट्स का है, उसमें से कुछ अमाउंट कोडिंग में जाएगा, वो ऑप्शनल रहता है. उसके अलावा सपोज 90 मिनट्स हुआ तो 30 ऐसे करके होगा.
और तुमको सब सेक्शन बनाना इक्वली, ये नहीं कि पूरा कोडिंग बना के आगे बाकी तीनों सेक्शन छोड़ दिया, ऐसा नहीं.
वो तो फिर ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट आप करके आ गया तो वो कोई फायदा ही नहीं.
तो ये
ऑनलाइन होगा.
तीनों में
आपको एनक्यूटी मतलब आयन सेंटर में जाके एग्जाम देना है. दैट इज द रीजन आई एम टेलिंग यू. आयन सेंटर दूर का गिर गया तो आपको बहुत ट्रैवल करना होगा,
आपको इतना ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा. दैट वी आर नॉट वांट.
ओके, सो प्लीज एंश्योर दैट यू रजिस्टर योरसेल्फ टुडे ओनली. यस सर.
Is there any negative marking?
नो.
अच्छा, एक और
ओके.
हाँ, एक और चीज जो टीसीएस के अंदर होता है, उनका एक अपना एग्जाम होता है विंग 1 और विंग 2. विंग्स होता है. तो विंग्स में आप मान लीजिए आप 4 लाख के पैकेज में हैं और 2 साल बाद आप एलिजिबल है देने के लिए. आपका एक साल बाद तो आप अगर क्वालिफाई कर लेते हैं तो आपका 4 का 8 हो जाएगा. मेरा एक स्टूडेंट गया हुआ है, वो 2 बार क्वालिफाई कर लिया है. उसका
the man standing there, he has cleared wings.
हाँ, मैं ऐसे तक क्लियर नहीं. ओके,
तो एक जोरदार ताली हो जाए. आप कर भी रहे हो, लेकिन आपको पता है कि 1 साल बाद आप वो एग्जाम दे सकते हो. वो एग्जाम दे लो तो आपका 2 से 4 हो जाएगा. फिर 2 भी होता है, उसको भी दे दीजिए तो 4 का फिर 8 हो जाएगा.
वो अगर wings को निकाल दिया तो 4 में 16 हो जाएगा.
हाँ, 16.
okay. So but ये awareness is the most important thing. That is the reason we are coming out so far. Please ensure that you are registering yourself. ये opportunity miss out किसी का भी नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay. Please ensure that you are registering yourself as well as your classmates who are not here. सब लोग को बताना है and एक साथ एग्जाम देने जब अच्छे से दो, and I'm pretty sure you all can crack the exam. Okay. आयन सेंटर में रांची का जो आयन सेंटर है वहाँ पे होगा. अगर आपका टेस्ट सेंटर आप जो सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं वो रांची सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो ठीक है, लेकिन वो आयन सेंटर का कैपेसिटी के ऊपर है. अगर स्लॉट फुल हो गया तो आपको दूसरा सेंटर सिलेक्ट करना होगा. इसी के लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ आज ही आपको अप्लाई करना है. If not, then you have to select a location apart from Ranchi.